across the country and beyond. Well, even before the swearing in of members of county assemblies that is slated for next week, some county assemblies are already staring at potentially bruising legal battles over their composition. After the gazettement of members of the county assembly by IEBC, it has emerged that 21 county assemblies do not have representation of persons with disability, contrary to the provisions of the Constitution on the representation of marginalized persons. They are now threatening to move to court to seek an injunction to stop the swearing in of the members. NTV's Ibrahim Karanja begins the edition. NTV at 1.
After the IEBC's gazettement of the final list of members of the county assembly, such scenes immediately sparred in various parts of the country.
No disability, no swearing.
The bone of contention being the locking out of persons living with disabilities from the nomination slots reserved for special interest groups.
Sisi hatutaweza kubali tuweze kuwekwa na marginalized groups. Sisi ni jamii ya walemavu, sisi hatuko kwa watu wenye wako marginalized kama watu wenye ni wachache.
21 out of the 47 county assemblies will not be having representation of the differently abled persons. They include Kwale, Kilifi, Taita Taveta, Wajir, Marsabit, Isiolo, Meru, Tharaka Nithi, Machakos, Makueni, Turkana, West Pokot, Trans Nzoia, Uasin Gishu, Baringo, Laikipia, Narok, Kericho, Bungoma, Nyamira and Nairobi counties.
18.94% of the total registered voters, that is over 4.2 million. Those are PWDs who voted, were registered voters.
Vyama vya kidemokrasia ya Kenya mara mingi hawajaheshimu na wazingatii katiba vile inavyotakikana.
According to Article 177 of the Constitution of Kenya on the membership of county assemblies, a county assembly consists of members elected by the registered voters of the wards, each ward constituting a single member constituency on the same day as a general election of members of parliament, being the second Tuesday in August in every fifth year. The number of special seat members necessary to ensure that no more than 2/3 of the membership of the assembly are of the same gender. The number of members of marginalized groups, including persons with disabilities and the youth, prescribed by an act of parliament, and the speaker, who is an ex officio member.
Tume ya uchaguzi na mipaka haina makosa kwa sababu kazi yao ni kufuata utaratibu ya majina vile ilivyopeana kwa jadwali. Kwa hivyo wale watu ambao wako na makosa ni vyama.
And where these people take advantage is the term or the issue of SIGs, the special interest groups. So they combine persons with disabilities with the youth, the women, and the marginalized, like communities that are not within their community.
A statement by IEBC Chair Wafula Chebukati Thursday informed the public that the party lists remained closed as of the date of the general election and for the term of parliament or the county assembly, and that the list cannot be changed unless through an order of the court. Now the people with disabilities are threatening to seek legal intervention into the issue. They argue that turning a blind eye on the alleged illegality will only embolden more counties to ignore them, as has been indicated by the increase of assemblies from 17 in 2017 to 21 in 2022. Ibrahim Karanja, NTV.